Hi everyone, Rachel here from 360 Life Safety to talk to you about one of our great tTAK bags. This is our tTAK, which stands for Tactical Trauma Aid Kit, and it was originally developed for law enforcement, being adopted by a broad range of agencies. We've had such a high demand that we also made it available for our civilian customers. All the products contained in our premium trauma kits are within this bag. So if you have this tTAK with you at all times, you'll be able to assist in virtually any accident scene when sometimes there's only seconds to spare and help is still minutes away. It's a wonderful addition to our tTAK family, so let's dive in and talk about some of the features. We've utilized a sling bag for this product, so you can throw it over your shoulder and you can take it with you wherever you go, whether that's on the range or out hiking. If you're an avid sportsman or sportswoman, you can take it hunting. It's also just a great addition to your home or your vehicle to help you be more prepared for the unforeseen. You also have a Nalgene water bottle, as well as magazine carriers that are removable. There are 2 different size carriers, pistol mag on the side and rifle mags on the back. Again, removable if you're not utilizing them. And what I love about this bag is that the compartments keep all the trauma pieces organized. In the very back zippered pocket is where you're going to find trauma shears and a pair of occlusive seals to treat wounds that compromise the chest cavity. The main compartment is going to be where you find all your gauze rolls, tape, and co-bands. You also have a pair of safety glasses in here as well, and a pressure bandage, also known as an Israeli bandage, allowing you to be hands-free when you need to apply pressure to a wound. In the front pocket, this is where your stop the bleed or hemorrhage control products are located, containing a pair of gloves for your personal protection, 2 tourniquets, and hemostatic gauze. So here you have a soft tourniquet or a Special Operation Forces tactical tourniquet, a SWAT tourniquet or a stretch, wrap, and tuck, and the hemostatic gauze that assists in the coagulation of blood. On the side pocket, you're going to have 2 additional pairs of gloves, as well as a CPR mask. And at the very front, all of our tTAKs come with 3 emergency blankets. In this pocket, you'll have those 3 Mylar blankets. All of our trauma aid kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provides you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.